Unites.com, redefining Bollywood.
Because I couldn't be present for any of the Lifetime Achievement Awards that he's gotten in the last couple of years. So I'm very excited to be here, and this concept is new here in India, and it's amazing because I think the fan following that our actors like Dad have is probably larger in number than even the Hollywood stars. But fans don't have anywhere to go and feel their idols in some way or the other. So this is awesome.
I think I can't say anything more than I think Papa's been an all-rounder as far as an actor goes, as a father goes, as a human being goes. He probably is the nicest person I know, and I think everyone from my house, staff, to the people I know can actually vouch for his niceness. I think it's an honor to be his daughter, and nothing more to say except that everyone he has earned, more than only his films, are here to share, because this is the earning, his friends, his family, his co-stars.
So happy. जीतू भाई जैसे बोला एकता ने, ऐसे इंसान बहुत कम होते हैं. एक्टर तो बहुत ही है, बहुत फैंटास्टिक इंसान है. और मैं बहुत सारा पिक्चर किया उनका साथ, कम से कम 40 से ज़्यादा पिक्चर किया, और 12 पिक्चर मेरा सुपर डुपर हिट रहा जीतू भाई का साथ.
I would love to say that I was really proud to be working with Jitu ji, and I must tell you how he discovered me at my friend's wedding, actually Bihar Chopra ji's daughter's wedding, and from there he took me straight to meet the director of Mr. Dhundi, right? Producer Dhundi, and Ravikant Nagaich. And he said, you have to come, and I want you to meet somebody. And that's how I realized that I was working in Jigri Dost with him. And Mumtaz ji, and I was with the heroine, and he was playing a double role in that. And after working one day, while shooting, he tells me, you know something, you should be in Nirmala Niketan, not in films. You remember?
सबने सब कुछ कह दिया है. मैं खाली एक ही बात बोलूँगी. जीत अंदर का मतलब है जो इंद्रों में जीत दिखाता है. ही इज लुकिंग लाइक दैट ओनली, सो यू पीपल ऑल नो. नंबर 1 एंड नंबर 2, थैंक यू UTV जो आपने ये ऑसम आइडिया शुरू किया है. ऑल द बेस्ट एंड थैंक यू एवरीबडी हु, थैंक यू.
आज मुझे बड़ा फ़ख्र है इस बात का कि मेरे आइडल ने ये इज्जत जो दी है UTV वालों ने, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत आपको मुबारकबाद, बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद Jitu ko, who deserves, because he has been a solo hero for the 35 years. Very few people have been there. All the best and God bless you. Thank you.
देखिए, मैंने 70s में जब मैं अमेरिका गया था, तब मैंने LA में ऐसा ही सिलसिला देखा था. तो मन में ख्याल आया था कि हमारे एक्टर को भी हमको याद रखने के लिए ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए. तो मुझे बहुत खुशी है कि UTV स्टार्स ने ये पहल करके ये काम, ये ज़रिया शुरू किया है. एंड इट इज़ अ ग्रेट ऑनर एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट वर्क बाय देम.
Thank you for watching. Click on the subscribe button and stay tuned.